Namaste and Sat Sri Akal. This is ABC of Python for Everyone by Sanket Safle. Oh, are you terrified of just hearing the word Python? Coding, computer language? Or are you afraid of tough university professors, painful syllabus, boring lectures? Then you came to the right place, buddy. Why? You will get your answer in just a minute. Let's go stepwise. Why will anyone want to learn Python? If you want high paid jobs, increase your job opportunities, boast your knowledge in front of your friends and colleagues, increase your knowledge horizon, and add a dominant skill to your skill set, then Python is just the right piece missing in your life. It has shown its power in past, and I assure you it will continue to do so in future as we go more deep in the digital era. If you could just learn Python, there are ample of job opportunities waiting for you around the globe. And even if you don't want to switch your job, you can ask your current employer to give you a good salary hike based on your current and improved skill set. And he can't even deny that. This is the most easiest language out there for you to learn. Why will you want to learn it from me? It is because I will teach you in easiest and playful way with a cool guy like you, and no tough homeworks will be given, and every small thing will be provided. Every small detail in code will be explained to you, so you develop a good coding logic, which is very essential for anyone to write new codes. You are just a matter of time away from becoming a pro. Just follow along. Who is this course designed for? This course is designed in such a unique way that it is suited for anyone from school going students to an entrepreneur. For an engineering student, may he be from mechanical, civil, chemical, electrical, telecommunication, and you name the background, or even from CA or an art student, a medical student, you name any profession, this course is suited for them. Whatever I will be teaching on will work just fine in any operating system. The course will have nearly 40 plus HD video lectures, and after every few lectures you will be provided with a booklet which will have a file in it. The file will have complete code given to you for your better understanding and implementation. There will be small assignments embedded along the way to test your understanding and improve your knowledge and your coding skill. The ideal timeline for this course is 25 days. I repeat, it's 25 days. But if you are as excited to develop a new skill and to increase your salary, then I bet you will complete the course in just 7 days. Again, the most cool thing about the course is there is 30-day money back guarantee. Even if you go by my ideal timeline, you will have 5 days to assess and apply whatever knowledge you got from this course and see, was it worth it? Don't forget to check the free course preview. This is me. I have nearly 4 years of experience in coding. I have developed interesting codes for complex. After completion of this course, You will get a certificate which you can upload on LinkedIn to increase your market value. You can confidently put Python 3 in your resume. You can boast your knowledge in front of your friends, colleagues, and most important thing, you will get a very good foundation to jump directly to the advanced coding courses. So what are you waiting for? Come and join us. Let's do it. Enroll today.